Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, Google Recruitment 2020 for Operations Engineer and eligible for BE, BTech, CSC and ECE. Before moving on to the details of Google Recruitment 2020, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Also tell us about your queries in the comment section and do not forget to press the bell icon for daily updates. So moving on to Google Recruitment 2020. Google is hiring freshers for operations engineer at Hyderabad, available for BE, BTech, CSC or ECE. We have discussed detailed eligibility and application process for Google Recruitment in our website. You can refer to the website if you have any type of queries. About company. So Google is an American multinational technology company specializing in internet related services and products. These include online advertising technologies, search, cloud computing and software. Google Recruitment 2020. This is the official website link. Position is Operations Engineer, Contact Center Platforms. Job location is Hyderabad. Experience is 3 to 6 years. Salary, Western Industry. Eligibility criteria: bachelor's degree in computer science and related field or equivalent practical experience. Preferred qualifications: experience supporting global voice and data infrastructure deployments involving several IT teams and business units. Experience designing and deploying MPLS interconnects with GRE tunneling and BGP routing. Experience with voice and data networking infrastructure elements, including SIP, MPLS, and load balancers. Responsibilities: so support and maintenance of enterprise level contact center, coordinate new system deployments working with internal engineering operation teams, lead monitoring and troubleshooting of Google's contact system, develop and deliver presentation to provide internal training on contact center systems, oversee the creation of new processes and tools to support additional requirements on the ongoing basis. How to apply? So if you are really interested in Google Recruitment, then we have provided a link here, application link. So click on the link and you will move to another website which will be the official website for Google. So you can see they have also provided all the information regarding the job. You can read it from here if you have any queries or any questions of any kind. For applying for the job, there is an option of apply. So click on apply and you can see you move to another web page. So now you have reached the web page where you have to upload your resume and your contact details. So once you upload your resume and your contact details and everything is done, so at last you will see next. So after that, click on next and you will move to another web page. Provide all the details they're asking for, and once you provide all the details you will be registered for the job. After that you will get mail through Google for other informations. Moving on to Fresher Camp website. So we have provided all the details in our website. You can refer to the website if you have any type of queries. Plus do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and leave your queries in the comment section below and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Link for Google Recruitment 2020 is provided in the description. So thank you.